Felicia here, and this tutorial is about engraving on stainless steel using the xTool M1 machine and the free xTool Creative Space software. Let's make a dog tag. I'm going to click on the text icon and type in my dog's name. I'm going to change the font to Dancing Script. Note that when you use a script font, the letters may be overlapped, so if you're cutting something, you may want to weld those letters together to avoid cut lines in your vinyl. I'm just showing this so you'll know for later. I'll be changing the processing type to engrave, which is going to fill in my text. I'm using a stainless steel dog bone, which I'm going to place in my machine. Once I have it in the machine, back in the software, I'll click on the refresh button to get a better view of what the item is going to look like on my canvas. The built-in camera shows me exactly where the dog bone is, and I can then adjust the text to fit perfectly by clicking on any one of the corners to resize it and move it into place. I can use the arrows on my keyboard to get it just where I want it. With the name selected, I'm going to change the processing type from score to engrave, which fills my text in, and then I'm going to adjust it just a little bit more. Without anything selected on the canvas, I can then select the material on the right that I'm going to use for this project. Clicking more pops up a full list, and I'm going to select Silver Stainless Steel Tag. With the name Emma selected, I'm going to look at the settings. I'm going to use the xTool selected reference and the default settings, but you could change them if you select manual. Before starting the engraving process, it's a good idea to check the framing to make sure your image is going to fit perfectly on the material. A light will outline the area to be engraved. Once framing is complete, I click on Process in the bottom right corner and then Start. The light on the front machine lights up blue. You press that, and that's when the magic starts. It was easy to make this project, and I think it turned out great. I'm excited to continue to dig into this machine and all that it can do. My next project is going to be to make Christmas ornaments that are cut and engraved. Subscribe, comment, like, and share. We have lots more videos on this machine and others that you don't want to miss.